Hi, my name's Gary, and this is Mischief. Mischief is a 1964 Pearson Vanguard that I purchased at auction for $400 because it was headed to the scrapyard. My mission is to refit this boat, bring her back to her former glory, and make her look as new as possible, get her back on the water and sailing for many, many years to come. So, I have this old bronze cap to a strainer, and this is the gasket. Can't find that exact gasket anymore, so I'm gonna make one. Problem is, the material that I can get from the store off the shelf is too thin, so I'm gonna use some high-tack gasket adhesive, put these together to get the right thickness, and I'm gonna cut that out. Probably use a bandsaw to do it. Then glue it on this, and we'll be ready to go. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and get tacky. You can tell it's ready when it all looks like this instead of shiny. That matte finish is what you want. Then I'm gonna press them together. So, that's it. Made it a press fit, so I don't have to put any glue in there, and it's thick enough that when I close this down and clamp it, will be sealed, and the boat won't sink. It's always good.